Did you know that it is possible for you as a fashion designer to never disappoint your customers or tell stories? Here is how to achieve a 0% disappointment rate in your business as a fashion designer. Understand your capacity. Everybody has a capacity that they can cope with adequately. Know your limitations and work within the boundaries of what you are able to do. Resist the temptation to bite more than you can chew at any given time. Learn to say no. Yes, I know it's difficult sometimes because we feel we are losing out, but when you say no, it's not necessarily an end to a business deal. It could be a pause that can open a door to future business transactions. Learn to negotiate. In business, negotiation skills are necessary for you as a business owner. Learn to negotiate for a better time. If your customer wants you to do a job that you are not able to do at the moment, go into a discussion and you may be able to come up with a win-win situation for both you and them. Learn to collaborate. There's nothing as beautiful as having relationships that you can fall back on, especially in difficult situations. There may be a colleague out there who can help you out at your point of difficulty. I've had situations where I fall back on friends or even people I've trained in the past to help me out when I am in a difficult spot. Be a good planner. A lot of things can be taken care of when we plan our time well. Understand the time you have to dedicate to your job and make sure you make the best use of it. Don't waste time unnecessarily. Be content. Most times people bite more than they can chew because they want to grab everything. The fact that you don't take on that job today does not mean that you are losing. Be content with what you already have to do. Have a long-term vision. In your business, always look at the big picture. Don't look at the moment. That business that you are not able to do today can open a door for you to do something more tomorrow, especially when you establish your credibility as a business owner who can be trusted, who can be counted upon. And I hope this helps someone.